everybody, so today is August 2nd and I got some people complaining to me about how I need to get rid of stuff and, you know, just throw it away. And it's easier for you guys just to say it, just throw it away, but some of the stuff that I have is memories. It's just not that hard to just throw it away. It might seem like garbage to you, but there's a reason why I kept it. Now there is a lot of things that I am getting rid of, and there's a lot of things that I don't want to get rid of. But the order for me is to, you know, go through my stuff because some of the stuff I haven't seen in forever. So that is the reason. I'm just trying to get everything organized. I want to get everything just put back together. And most of you guys understand that, but some of you guys are like, oh, you have too much stuff. Yeah, but the thing is, yes, I do have too much stuff, and I have known about this, but I finally am doing something about it. You know, I gave myself a whole year to have my basement exactly how I want it, you guys. It doesn't seem like I'm getting there, but I am. I just threw 3 garbage bags full of garbage away just a little bit ago. I emptied 4 boxes plus a bunch of totes. I also made 3 boxes of donated. So I'm just going to share with you guys what I worked on. After I got a couple comments from my basement video that I posted yesterday, I'm like, you know what? Instead of me doing whatever and my husband's home to watch the kids, I'm just going to work on the basement, because once I get started, I do not stop. So the time right now is 7:51. I have been working down here for 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours is what I've been working down here. So let me share with you guys what I've been working on, because a lot of people think I have too much stuff. Well, you know what? I actually, looking at a lot of the stuff, most of it's just craft items, and I'm still organizing. I'm trying to get everything, but this is what I've been working on for the last hour, is my storage room. Now this stuff, some of these are just like little things here and there, but I am working on this. I'm slowly turning everything into little totes. I gotta clear this off, but this is what I worked on. I worked on all of this stuff today, you guys. Like, I emptied all these shelves and I'm still not finished. I found stuff that, you know, I've had, and I'm like, why am I keeping this? So I'm gonna sell some of this stuff, but it just takes time. I can't sell it all at once, but it's getting there. It's getting there. I feel very accomplished of what I got done already today, and I'm gonna stop where I'm at because I am just hot as all heck and I don't want to get overwhelmed. So I'm gonna stop what I'm doing in the basement. But I mean, I found some of my books from when I was a kid. Funny thing is, I just started reading the Vampire Diaries yesterday is when I started watching it, and all of a sudden I found the books. I don't think I'll ever read the books, so that's something I can sell or donate. Most likely I'm gonna try to sell it. But my basement is not, it's a little messy, you guys. Like, I kind of fixed up the toy area. I kind of picked up this area. My goal was to pick up a lot of these black totes, which I am. So it's getting there. I found a doll from my childhood, but Charlotte dug all this stuff out. This was 100% clean not that long ago, but I'm working on it. I am working on it. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up that it just takes a bit. I'm doing this solo with 2 small children and a 3rd child that's an adult, but it's getting there. And it's only August. I still have 4 months to get stuff done. And August, I really want to try to get a lot of stuff done. So I'm going to start early. I'll see you guys all later in the month. Welcome back. So today is now August 18th, and I've been working at the basement little bit by little bit. When I get started, I've been working on it for like 2 hours, which is exactly what I need. I can't do too much because I get really overwhelmed, but I really wanted to work on some goals, and I did work on the black totes. I got rid of all the black totes in this area. The kids keep digging stuff out when we're down here, so it's like I gotta pick up constantly down here. I'm still trying to clean this mess up, but a lot of it's just kind of the most random stuff. And we're also going to IKEA this week, so I'm gonna get a big area rug to put here so the kids have a big open area to play. So once we get that rug, this area will be completely clean. So probably the next update video, this will be completely clean. But my thing that I have been working on, sorry my air is on right now. Oh, my wall's cracking. That sucks. But what I'm working on right now is the basement. Now, A lot of people are gonna judge me for this, and thank you guys for the people who do not judge me. I am still a work in process. Nothing happens overnight. I've been getting rid of a lot of stuff. I have been selling stuff. I've just been working at it, but it can't happen all at once. But I'm trying as best as I can, but I have been throwing stuff away. So here is my storage room. You can't tell a huge difference of what I've been doing, but I ended up moving some totes right here, and I have some stuff labeled of everything that I'm keeping there. And then I put some stuff over here, but I still gotta empty some stuff out and make some more room. I got some totes that I just want to get rid of and put some other things in here, and so I'm still going through it, but I feel like I have gotten a lot accomplished. I mean, I got just an empty tote sitting up there, so I know what room I have, and so pretty excited for that. I did buy a ton of costumes for Halloween last year. I think I might sell some of that around Christmas or Halloween time, just so I can get some more space out of everything. But I am getting there, but I just wanted to give you guys a little heads up on how I've been doing. But we are getting there, and Graham and I decided we are gonna have another garage sale before October, or possibly early October. But the thing is, my thing is, I just don't like everything sitting here waiting to have a garage sale. There are certain items that I want to sell at a garage sale, and there are certain items where I don't give a crap. I don't give a crap. I want to get rid of it. So these two boxes right here are stuff that I am actually going to drop off at Goodwill. Once I kind of fill a box up, or once I kind of fill like 2 or 3 boxes up, I go and drop it off. I go and drop it off because I don't like that stuff sitting here. It's just less cluttered. So that's why I have this mountain of boxes here, because these are perfect boxes to drop off at Goodwill, and then, you know, just pack stuff and go. So that is what I am working on currently on the basement. It's almost the weekend, so definitely will be working on it again. My craft area, I was talking about it in my vlog today, but I was talking about how I want to get cube shelves. I'm gonna try to convince my husband to let me get one right here and then another one right there, so then I can just keep a lot of my craft items all organized and to see, instead of just kind of piling up. So I have an envision of how I want it, and it's gonna get there. But I'm pretty excited, because then I can open up my desk a little bit more, because I have this like turnstile that I keep all my supplies on. And I just did a video, so sorry, my desk is a little bit crowded because I just filmed a video down here and I have to go upstairs. So just want to give you guys a heads up. Let's see what I can get done next time. So today is August 30th. I'm just filming this video a day early, but as I was telling you guys earlier this month, I really wanted to get some shelves for my craft supplies. I really wanted to get some of that stuff organized, but IKEA has been sold out. I have looked other places. It's not what I want. It's not the price I want to pay. So I'm slowly waiting for them to get the shelves in stock. And then once I get that stuff done, I'm going to have my corner of my little area a whole lot organized, looking a lot better. But until now, I really am kind of bummed. I'm kind of bored with cleaning my basement constantly. Like, I'm getting there, I'm getting rid of stuff, but you know, like I said, I'm making this video to help me get motivated, to help you guys get motivated, not to be judged that I have a lot of junk. Yes, I do, but I am not a hoarder. I do get rid of stuff. I just don't do it all at once. It takes time to get rid of stuff. But I'm just going to kind of show you where I'm at. This place is a mess because we've been hanging down in the basement a lot more with, you know, it's just cooler sitting down here. We've been watching a lot of TV, but it needs to be organized. Between both kids, they've been tearing stuff apart. I've been tearing stuff apart, trying to get rid of stuff to sell. I have sold a couple things. So it's been a busy month. I'm hoping to get more stuff done. My friend, since like all these places are closed, my friend, she said she'll definitely help me get organized. So this place is a mess. I'm going to tell you guys that right off the bat. It's just a mess. But it's an easy pickup. I gotta have Ben come down here and pick up toys. I just didn't want him coming down here while I was filming. But there is some more stuff that I plan on throwing away. So it's getting there. It's getting there. I have been getting rid of a lot of stuff, but please don't judge me and say I have a lot of stuff. You guys don't know my situation. So here is my messy basement. So the kids have been playing in this area, which is a lot of fun. I dug these two boxes out because I'm trying to sell some stuff and get rid of stuff. But the kids have just been playing, and I'm trying to get this picked up. So I think later this week I'm going to have my son help me pick up when my mom's watching Charlotte. But this area is just, it's just ridiculous. It's such a mess, and these kids just don't care. Now this is intentionally the play area, but Ben just has no respect for anything. This is my stuff I've been kind of collecting. I just threw a bunch of paper towels and stuff. I got to put all that stuff back. I was digging out a thing. But like these 3 totes, I don't know what's in them, but some of this stuff's a lot of my crafting stuff, which I want to put away. I want to decorate. I want to organize everything. But I just don't have the space. I have everything in my head of how I want to do it, but it's kind of hard. I've been putting more books on the bookshelf for the kids, so we got that going on. But yeah, Charlotte keeps digging out all the movies, and like this is a little chair we got her, so I got to put that in front of the TV. My, oh crap, I just stepped on something. My video area is kind of a mess. I have stockpile stuff that needs to be put away, but my totes are completely filled and I can't lift them. I've been asking my husband to help me lift them. So yeah, it's getting to be overfilled. I have 3 bags to empty, so hopefully he'll help me empty these probably tomorrow morning or later tonight. He has to go to work later, but I mean it's getting there, you guys. It's just a total mess, and I'm getting stressed out, and that's why I'm not worrying about it. I'm just walking away because it's just overwhelming, and I can't do it all at once. But I'll probably get some stuff done later this week. But Charlotte keeps taking all of my candles out. She takes all the candles out. I pick them up, she takes them out. I pick them up, she takes them out. I'm actually gonna get a tote, and I'm putting those all in the tote. The kids been jumping on the furniture, so the furniture's all like messed up. Ben just ripped stuff apart, so I'm gonna definitely go off on him when I'm done with this video to film. When I'm done filming, to pick up this crap. He played with Play-Doh and can't pick it up and just lets it dry out. So I've had it. I've like had it up to here with him not listening. I'm gonna start throwing stuff away. I don't want to hear your opinion. That's just how I am. That's just what I'm gonna do. But it takes time. But the storage room has been getting there. It's still a little messy, but I just need help, you guys. It is very hard to do this with 2 little children that constantly need me. The older one's a lot worse than this little one. But it's like I put something away, somebody digs something out. So it's like it takes time. It's August, almost September. I got 4 months to finish this. But I feel like I might not get done. And that's okay if I don't get done, because I'll just continue with the series. So that is what's going on with my basement. I'm getting stressed out just thinking about it, so I'm just walking away. But this room is definitely going to be picked up by the end of the week. So hopefully I can do another video for you guys showing you a video update for the month of September. But yes, I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next month. Bye-bye.